Assalamu alaikum, my dear students of class 9. How are you? Hope all of you are hale and hearty by the blessing of Almighty Allah. Welcome back to our online platform NIFS Home School. This is Abul Kalam, Assistant Teacher of English, National Ideal English Version School. Dear students, today our selected topic is composition. Let's look at the board to understand what will be our today's compositions. So look, it is duties of a student. I am telling again, our today's selected composition is duties of a student. This is the first compositions duties of a students on our annual term 2021 syllabus. Dear students, look, this is our lecture number 10 and homework number 9. My dear students of class 9, I have already told you that this is our first composition duties of a students. You know how to write a compositions. Besides, I am telling you also, dear students, in composition there will be some para, but mind it, there will not be the title of the para. Okay, that means in the composition there will be 5 or 6 para, but there will be no title of this para. So let's start our class with the composition duties of a student. Duties of a students. Okay, students are the future leader of the nation. In the future they will lead the nation, so they should be prepared properly so that they can lead the country towards peace and prosperity in future. Students' main duty is to study and acquire knowledge. Alongside or besides their studies, they have many more duties and responsibilities which they must carry out in order to be good citizen and true man. Students' life is such as truthfulness, the time for preparation. They have to develop many good virtues in them: modesty, honesty in thought and actions, obedient to their parents and superior, discipline in habit, etc. Studies being their main duty, they must be attentive and devoted to their studies so that they can be educated. Without being properly educated, they will not be able to carry out their duties properly in their professional life. This is the beginning and the first para of the composition duties of a students. Second para, besides, students have to participate in various co-curricular activities such as scout, debating, writing, in magazine, games and sports, etc. Without participating in these, students cannot properly grow physically and mentally. Okay, that means up to this, okay, you will write as your homework. Next, in order to be an ideal man, students should cultivate the good qualities. They should be truthful, honest, sincere in their activities. Without developing these virtues, students cannot be good citizen and ideal men in society. They can help in the eradication of social evils like infant marriage or early marriage, dowry system, etc. During their vacation, students can organize night school in the villages and thus be helpful in solving the problems of illiteracy. They can be politically conscious. During times of war, students can organize civil defense operations and look after the families of those who have actively engaged in fighting against the enemy. Next point, students should always keep in mind that health is wealth. So they must be careful about their health. They should follow the rules of health. Without being healthy and strong, they cannot utilize their knowledge properly and enjoy life. Last point, this is the conclusion of the composition duties of a student. Student life is a time when he or she shows of his or her future time. Therefore, he or she should prepare his lesson regularly and proper use of time. He or she should not waste time idly. A student should bear in mind that if he or she doesn't perform his or her duties in time, he or she would suffer in the long run. This is the full compositions. Dear students, I am telling you again, look, our last work is homework and duties of a student's half. That means up to the selected portion. From the beginning, title duties of a student, then from the beginning students to physically and mentally, you will do your homework. This will be your 9 number homework. So dear students, with this class today we have started our composition class. It is duties of a students. Please keep practicing at home and do your homework properly. See you again, inshallah. Assalamu alaikum.